Click on Insert and navigate to the Charts section. You'll find all the chart types available here, from this vertical bar to the end bar on the right. The drop-down arrow at the bottom right corner provides access to all charts. Click it. The reason you're seeing this error message is that we haven't selected any data to create a chart. Just click OK. Now, navigate to Recommended Charts and click it. If the same error message appears again, simply click OK. Next, click on the pie chart icon. You'll see a blank chart frame since we haven't selected any data again. This chart type does not have an option to close it, so click on the chart and then press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. Now, navigate back to Insert. Let's try another chart type. Click on the column chart icon. As you can see, without any selected data in your Excel sheet, all chart types will display blank chart frames. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper and watch the full lesson on Excel charts and graphs, I've provided the link in the video description below. Additionally, if you'd like to stay updated with more tips and tutorials, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in the channel description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.